back to my channel Family Builders. As you know, the desire build is completed and no more videos are going to come on that car, and our Isuzu is waiting for parts. So it is a perfect time to begin with a new build, which is Volkswagen Tiguan. So this is the car from the front. Everything is damaged. The hood is damaged, headlights both, and from underneath. And this right side suspension is not there. It's completely destroyed. And opening the bonnet. From the up, engine is alright, as you can see. Going to the side, this fender is damaged. This door, this quarter panel, this tail light. As you can see, this is the 4Motion 4-wheel drive version it is. And as you can see, this quarter panel should be over here, and it's gone like here. And moving to that side, over here no major damages are there except this dents on doors, this also, and nothing in the inside. And in the inside, as you can see, the door, they are solidly built, and in the interior all the glass is threaded. We are going to remove that. This is the 4Motion, and this is having the panoramic sunroof, as you can see. 1 second. Panoramic sunroof. From here to there, it's not broken. And every single airbag in this thing is open. That seat airbag, except this seat airbag. And in the rear, this door. It is the top end variant, Highline 4Motion. There are shelves given. Center. So Now we are going to start opening this thing. So this is going to be for this video. In the next video, we are going to start opening this thing. So